quiet heart of the American countryside, a man wandered through an old weathered barn, its wooden beams heavy with the dust of forgotten years. Sunlight streamed through cracks in the wall, illuminating a scene straight out of a time capsule. There, half shrouded in shadow and draped in cobwebs, sat a relic of a bygone era. A classic car, its once proud form now a canvas of deep, pervasive rust. Its windows were shattered, tires had long since surrendered to the earth, and a thick layer of grime obscured what was left of its original color. The camera glides, capturing every detail in ultra-realistic 4K, lingering on the textures of decay and the dramatic play of light across the forgotten automobile. With a practiced eye, the man began his inspection, his hands tracing the lines of the battered bodywork. Despite the extensive damage, the corroded panels, the derelict interior, the silent engine, he saw not a ruin, but a resurrection waiting to happen. A decision was made, a deal was struck, and the forgotten classic was his. Soon the groan of a tow truck's winch broke the rural silence as the rusty machine was carefully hoisted onto its flatbed. Cinematic wide shots follow its journey, a solitary, poignant silhouette against the rolling landscape as it travels toward a new beginning at a state-of-the-art restoration garage in the United States. Inside the sprawling professional workshop, a team of skilled mechanics swarmed the vehicle, their mission clear. The air filled with the methodical sounds of restoration as the painstaking process began. Grinders sent showers of sparks into the air, stripping away decades of rust to reveal the bare metal beneath. High-pressure water jets blasted away years of accumulated dirt and grime, washing over the chassis in a cleansing torrent. One by one, old, irreparable parts were carefully unbolted and removed, with close-up shots highlighting the intricate disassembly. Deep within the engine bay, mechanics meticulously diagnosed and began to repair the heart of the machine, their work a symphony of satisfying clicks, clanks, and whirs. Close-ups capture the intense focus of the team as they weld new life into the car's frame. The bright flash of the arc, a symbol of the transformation to come. With the structural work complete, the focus shifted to aesthetics. The team began the laborious task of sanding the entire metal body, their movements precise and rhythmic, smoothing every curve and contour to a flawless finish. The raw, gleaming metal was then coated in a layer of primer, a uniform gray canvas that erased the last traces of its dilapidated past. Slowly but surely, the car's form began to re-emerge, hinting at the beauty that lay dormant. The atmosphere in the garage was one of intense concentration, with cinematic lighting accentuating the professional tools and the determined faces of the artisans at work. The prepared body was then moved into a pristine, high-tech paint booth, a sterile environment designed for a perfect finish. In a mesmerizing display, a robotic arm glided over the car, applying coat after coat of a deep, glossy premium paint. High-quality, slow-motion shots captured the liquid color flowing over the metal, the camera focusing on the mirror-like reflections forming on its surface. The smooth, uninterrupted application process was a testament to modern craftsmanship, bringing an unparalleled level of luxury and depth to the vehicle's appearance. Finally, the moment of revelation arrived. Under the brilliant, unwavering lights of the garage, the fully restored car stood in all its glory, shining as if it had just rolled off the assembly line. A stunning before and after comparison flashes on screen, starkly contrasting the rusty wreck found in the barn with the gleaming masterpiece it had become. Every detail, from the polished chrome to the immaculate paint, radiated perfection. With a powerful, throaty roar, the engine ignited, and the stunning classic drove out of the garage, its journey from forgotten relic to roadworthy legend now complete.